Nationally, just 24% of software developers are women, and female programmers earn 30% less than their male counterparts. Here at Grand Circus, we believe that anyone can be a developer, so we offer several initiatives aimed at changing the current norms. We offer automatic partial scholarships for women in our full-time boot camps and full scholarships for women participating in our Develop Her program.
I really love to take some of the programming skills that I've learned from Develop Her and combine it with the social scientific research skill set that I've gotten with project management and some of those other skills and kind of just go into the IT world.
A lot of the interview prep and resume prep and technical interview prep are things that I had never really thought about or gotten that much guidance on before coming to Grand Circus.
The Develop Her program is a groundbreaking initiative made possible by the support of several community partners and includes both funding and mentorship from senior IT leaders in the Michigan Council for Women in Technology.
They have really been amazing. Early on, I really struggled with this and I wanted to quit. And they all said, no, we are committed to your success here.
We've implemented this program in Detroit, Grand Rapids, and Flint, Michigan, empowering women from a diverse range of backgrounds to make the career transition into tech.
Mentally clicking the switch of just having the audacity to tackle problems, I think that's a huge thing that Grand Circus has helped me with.
Since 2013, Grand Circus has trained hundreds of software developers, and we're proud of our record on tech diversity. Last year, more than 40% of our graduates were women, and these women were paid 4% higher than their male counterparts. At Grand Circus, we're supporting students on their path into software development and remain committed to changing the lives of women looking for a career in tech.